Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and I'm a computer engineering student. My question is, I have a question regarding the right of marriage in Islam. In case of both man and woman are Muslims, believing, practicing Muslims with good characters, capable for living together, then is there any problem for Muslim parents to refuse such a marriage?
If the girl and the boy are Muslim and they're practicing and they want to marry, but naturally you shouldn't convince the parents. The parents are the elders, so it's preferably that you take the advice. But many a times some of the parents want rich,
Yes.
beautiful. So you tell them, a beloved Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that whenever anyone gets married, when he chooses a life partner, he looks for 4 things: wealth, beauty, nobility, and virtue. The best among them is virtue. So give this hadith to the parents, and if she's a virtuous girl and a virtuous boy, then they should go ahead. And virtue is the best out of all these 4 criteria for marrying a spouse. Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.
Can we have the